up, guys? Easy Gaming here, and today we are playing Flood Escape.
Yes. Why am I just glitching? I'm not even walking that stop. Okay.
Wanna go? Let's go too hard. We beat. So, guys, we played this game a bunch of times before we even recorded.
Literally. Oh. So, yeah. And I have a jump coil.
Yeah. How much does those cost actually?
Let's get the hiccups. Yeah.
Particles.
I have no points. I only have 0 trophies, 0 points.
Extras. Yeah, gravity coil.
No.
It's 12 wins. That's not a lot.
You have 9 wins, so you'll probably go.
No, the F coins for a free facility.
Okay.
I mean, Flood Escape, not free facility. Flood Escape. All right, let's do this. It doesn't look that hard. Jumpy.
We been played this game. I mean, we been did this
Jump.
level, right?
Yeah. Did you die?
No. Why you keep saying that?
Oh, you're bad. Make sure you make that jump.
Oh.
Not that. How did you fall?
I land on the globe so perfectly. How did I even die? I literally land on the they're not blondie here.
Okay. Oh, oops, we got the wrong way. Oh. What was that?
I'm trying to catch something. I know how to catch.
Alright.
You want to be part of the blonde squad?
Who was that even screaming? Sound like somebody got stung by a bee.
Why is stupid blue?
I'm actually surviving at this.
What is this?
If someone named Slay Bigley, then we have to go right there.
Wait, what to do? Okay, I'm gonna press good. Good.
Okay.
Yeah, good. I'm doing good.
I'm scared.
It's a big that side, right?
We're stud jumping. Am I even gonna make it? No!
Okay. Okay. Stop looking yourself.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
I have 5. I received 5 points. Wait, well, it's set though. Okay, let's go. Let's go medium, I guess. No, let's go. Easy.
No, don't go with that noob. Whoa! I have knocked this goal.
Come on.
Yes. Oh. We can go by ourselves. Eating not that bad, right? Not that much, but it do have a lot. But, oh my God, we want to go by ourselves, guy. I see this guy on this game every single time. You keep seeing him.
Oh, okay, that's us, guys. All right. We did this level like a million times before we even started recording. Okay, let's go. It's a little hard to see. Are you still alive?
No, it fell. I'm still alive though.
I know, like that jump.
Why you keep acting that?
That jump's a little hard to see.
Why you keep acting? And I like.
How do you keep falling?
I didn't fall I didn't try yet. I was trying to jump, but then I died. Oh.
Okay, come on.
Oh, you died too?
No.
Oh shoot!
Medium.
How you going to medium?
No.
Zai, you can still join. Oh, I'm still waiting. I can't join now.
I'll tell you right now.
Let's go to school. I'm gonna wait till somebody else goes.
I died.
Go! You're making say go.
Go. I'm not thirsty right now. Let's go.
Oh,
Brianna.
Brianna, the bitch.
Okay, where are we going?
It's a show.
You want to go medium? I mean, we can. Let's go medium.
4 people. Wait, like me. I think hard got to start. Like 4 people have to escape.
so is medium. I guess we can go to hard. Don't die next time.
Actually, no. How about?
No, we'll go to hard.
Okay.
Don't die. It's not even that hard, really.
I'm trying to join. Not let me join.
How much are extra lives? 1 life.
Ooh,
in
that
every game.
scream! I had it again. Like,
Exactly. I don't know. Oops. I select
Go.
that.
Why you just get off? Wait, you're about to start.
Come on, let's go. I guess.
Hold on, my stuff to go. 4, 2, 1. I don't see how far I can go in there. Then,
No, no.
I see this guy every day. Okay. That's a stress.
Let's go.
That's so stress. That's to do practically. I died at this part. I'm scared now. I died at this part. I fell at this part. I fell at this part too. Wait.
Shut up.
Alright. I will fall. Alright.
Who died?
Somebody else died. Now I just died. You want to shut up? I wouldn't die.
Where am I supposed to go? Ha! This is hard.
Oh,
There's people like literally watching this, and they're just freaking. Come on, medium, medium, medium.
That's going to hard. Not that funny.
Oh, we're just by ourselves. Oh, okay. Go on a ladder.
Why?
Just go.
I don't know. Okay, press that button. Is it open?
I'm finna click it. Dang it. Okay.
Wait, it's not by the way. Great. Whee! You didn't have to cut me off.
Let's go medium starting again. Because it was just
I
like.
had to run in the water since you died.
Are you in yet?
Yeah. You didn't have to cut me off. I'm stuck. I put my arm around you how strong I am.
Oh, it's just us? Alright.
Oh, this kind of a little hard.
How are we supposed to do
Oh,
this?
someone let's go press the button. Wait. Oh shoot.
Are you stupid?
Shut up. Try and make this by ourselves.
Dang it!
Oh, I'm opening the door by myself.
Yeah.
Not opening. Wait. Ha. Oh. I died.
Come on, go meet him again.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's a lot of people.
Hold up.
10, 9, 8,
Oh, I'm not gonna open it.
7, 6. You can still. Okay, someone click the button.
I'm not doing anything. Go, someone like click the button.
Oh, I'm staying still. Run.
You better. Wait, someone go press that button because I'm not doing. Die.
Did you freaking die?
No, I said
We're
die.
literally freaking recording. There's people you finna yell at us in the comments. Like, why the heck are you guys yelling? And it's us, your fans in the comments. Even though no one really views these videos. Are you still alive? It's late. Move. You're gonna die.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry you should have drowned this water.
Well, a fan was wet.
Yeah, the people in the comments are gonna be like, why are you yelling?
Stop yelling at us trying to be calm. Like,
No, so I don't, but it has a funny smell.
like, get together. Like, no, we're not getting together. Like, no.
I got it.
Everybody, scream.
The fact that we have to edit this video, I don't know.
Everybody scream.
Oh my god, no!
I died.
I think everyone died. I think I was the only one alive.
Like, everybody's not gonna yell in the comments.
Yeah, you're gonna be like,
Why are you yelling? Be together. Stop yelling. Like, calm down, fan. Like, we're yelling because we're raging, right, guys? Totally, right? So I'm not saying that because there's a kid show. Totally.
I might cancel this order.
Wait. Hey, how's about to start? Are you sure? How's about to start? Oh. Oh.
80. Shit. I mean, 80. I don't know what 80 plus 6.
I want the AFK.
Shit. We got no money. Oh, I'm sorry. I know.
It's alright.
Oh. 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 Could it be like, yeah, like, stop.
That's our POV. Okay, anyway. I never did this. Wait, did we do this? Wait, by ourselves?
Yeah.
Oh, we did?
I mean, no.
No?
I mean,
Oh, I'm
yeah,
lagging.
people. Wait, no, we did it by ourselves.
Come on.
And then you died.
Oh, look. Then I go clicky icky button you bunny. You gotta jump over there too, so I think.
Then what?
Right here, so you can go in the door.
Oh.
Slayer, you fucking serious?
Oh. 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 I told you that I'm bad
buddy,
at obbies. I'm super bad at obbies.
How did I make
Me want though. Me want. Me buy.
Oh my god. No, no!
This little guy really love how like a rat on his back. Like, I'm gonna walk me in back.
I received.
Is that me? That's me. That used to be my old skin.
Come on.
Huh? Hey guys, yeah, that's a car.
Oh my god, that used to be your old skin. Wait, that's weird though.
Wait,
That's exactly your old. That's actually your literal old skin.
Me.
Wait, that's weird.
Well, I was me now. I don't know what to do.
That's weird. That was your old skin. And you have the exact same
Hey,
face,
guys.
clothing, and everything.
Hi, my skin came alive. My skin came alive. Help me.
Okay, guess I'm going in
Oh,
easy.
shoot. I already died.
Guess I'm going in easy.
Oh, wait. Now, Mr. Clean, Mr. Clean.
I'm already.
Wait. Oh, wait. Oh, wait.
It's full.
Listen to me. I died.
It's full.
No. Wait, no.
Yes, it says full, man.
Oh,
Oh, come on, it's going hard.
Go, yeah, join. Come
Come on, it's going hard.
Dang, I see that guy.
Yes, can I actually climb on it? No, it won't let me.
That me. My old skin came alive.
Okay, let's go.
I used to be a noob back then. I used to be a noob back then.
Be quiet, you still are. Okay, let's go.
Shut up.
This is hard.
I like my.
We're finna die.
I like my Tina, where are you going?
Where are you freaking going?
It's a different way.
Oh, okay. I thought
Oh,
this.
I died already.
Of course you died. And I fell.
That Rice Krispie, don't touch that.
I'm touching the Rice Krispies. Delicious.
Oh, Dad, that bite us. Rice Krispie!
Alright, so this game.
Dad does buy Rice Krispie. Everybody yell out the comments because everybody loves Rice Krispie.
Okay. Game has ended. Come on.
Yeah. Oh, shoot, I'm up here climb up the line and like, climb up the mountain. Oh, that's me. That's my old skin. See, guys?
That's freaking weird.
Oh, she left again. That's really, that used to be me. Like, round 4. That's literally me.
Let's go.
Oh, I just fell. Wait, how do I get up? Oh, wait, guys. You're supposed to climb here. Wait, no, I'm about to die.
Go click the button.
So sad.
You can still go on that thing right there, so you can still what?
It's another button.
Okay, come on.
Huh?
You gotta side jump.
Guys, what?
Wait. Okay. Here you are. Let's go. Oh, what are we doing?
Give me 2
Let's go.
Wait.
Huh? Oh, okay. I was about to say.
Let's go. Wait, we're supposed to go. Oh. Jump.
Let's go.
I'm a black one.
Oh, dig it. I fell. Oh, yeah, I'm dying today. Dang it. Slay, I died. Two.
Oh my god.
I received
We're
2
not
points.
ending this video till we make it.
I was gonna go on hard, but I'm kind of scared.
Oh
about
shoot,
that.
where am I going? Where am I going? Oh, F2 wins. F coins, right?
Mhm.
Are they called F coins?
They're called what's the name points? I forgot.
Okay, guys, now we have to eat, but we're gonna be still doing the video. We eating fish and carrots, and yeah. Where the heck
Wow.
happened? I'm gonna eat.
Oh, me easy.
Huh? Oh shoot, I can't even eat my fish. Right, eat my fish. Easy? Easy? Easy, easy? No way!
Hurry up.
it
Go, go.
was full. How the heck I join?
It wasn't full.
Did I skip? Yeah.
Okay, well, whatever.
Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Dumpy, jumpy. I couldn't see the water drop.
Did you die?
I fell. I tried to make it, but I couldn't.